도박에 노출된 아이들의 구조 신호를 잘 들어보세요.
너 그거 뭐야? 친구가 선물로 줬어요.
아끼던 걸 왜 팔아?
필요가 없어서 팔아요.
밥도 안 먹으면 뭐해?
됐어요. 알아서 할게요.
다양한 형태로 드러나는 청소년 도박. 관심 있게 지켜보면 보이는 구조 신호. 아이들의 신호에 응답해주세요.
진짜가 되는 시간. 카스.
말도 안 되지만 압도적 가성비. 야구 공법의 시원 상쾌함. You feel like fresh. 진짜 맛있는 과일 맥주? 이거 뭐야? 너무 맛있어! 트러블 브루.
깨끗한 통레몬으로 맛있는 술을 만들자. 상큼하고 진하게. 찐 통레몬 탄산주. 레몬진.
놓칠 수 없는 강렬함. 부드러운 첫맛에 한 번, 강렬한 끝맛에 두 번. 더블 숙성 공법으로 찾은 더블 임팩트 라거 켈리. 마셔도 부담 없이 가볍게. 슈가는 제로, 칼로리는 다운. 테라 라이트.
레디 투 생맥주 캔. 놀랍게 맛있다. 아사히 슈퍼드라이 생맥주 캔.
That's refreshing. That's summer's tea.
LG전자 모빌리티 솔루션은 이동 공간의 차별화된 경험을 만듭니다. 스마트 라이프 솔루션 LG전자.
센트룸은 생애주기 건강을 연구합니다. 성별, 연령에 따라 생애주기에 딱 맞춘 과학적 설계. 건강 이제 한 팩으로 맞추자. 센트룸 원데이 팩.
다친데도 길을 걸어 kiss me. 쉽지 않은 내가 쉽게 easy. 스테이지 위엔 불이 탄 내 body. Pull up and I'll repeat on play ballet. Damn, I really make it look easy. I know that I make it look easy.
나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야 break 없는 break 택도 없는 것들을 택도 안 돼 오비로 stack it up 나 절대 바꿔 없는 type I'm gonna smoke you up I'ma smoke you I'm gonna smoke you up I'ma smoke you I'm gonna smoke you up I'ma smoke you 싹 다 부수고 원상복구
Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Got them all going. Yeah, be happy while I'm on. Yeah, got them all going. 다친 데도 길을 걸어 kiss me. 쉽지 않은 내가 쉽게 easy. 스테이지 위엔 불이 탔네 body. Pull up and I'll repeat on play ballet. Damn, I really make it look easy. I know that I make it look easy. Early in the morning, feel like magic. I got all I need, you know nothing else can be. The way that I feel when I'm dancing with my guys. Perfect energy, yeah, we flawless, yeah, we free. There's no better feeling in the whole wide world. Tonight, I don't care what's wrong or right. Don't stop blowing up my light. I can't let it let it fancy night. But nothing comes after midnight. 내 벽에 위에 필 아름다운 대신 더 강한 이름 빌런을 택했지. 그게 바로 me. 내게 보여 see. Let's seraphim 눈이 끌어 to victory. I'm a smarter baby, smarter baby, smarter. 하늘 보면 열리지. 간파해서 돌아가지. Wanna be a winner. 계획 대로 돼야지만 나비가 될 애쓰니. I'm smarter.
강남에 집이 없어 손목에 명품 없어 근데 제일 슬픈 건 난 드래곤도 없어 나만 없어
지상 최대 드래곤 전쟁에 자 들어가자.
없어 드래곤
지금 다운로드.
누구보다 궁금한 거 많고 하고 싶은 거 많고 흥도 많고 본업은 또 잘해야 하고 그래서 비오트라는 쉼표는 필수입니다. 한 번의 비오트, 한 번의 기분 전환. 꺾어먹는 요거트 비오트.
고혈압이나 당뇨병으로 병원을 찾는다면 당신은 대상포진 고위험군. 고혈압, 당뇨병 환자가 대상포진에 걸리면 심근경색, 뇌졸중 발생 위험이 증가할 수 있습니다. 그래서 대상포진은 예방접종이 중요합니다.
Hello, I'm K-Music. K-Music. 한국의 음악은 더 이상 한국에만 머무르지 않습니다.
세계 어디서든 K뮤직의 저작권은 보호되어야 합니다.
음악 안에는
우리가 있습니다.
언니, 너무 맛있지 않아요? dimsum 진짜 장난 아니죠? 이 맛을 뭐라고 해야 돼요?
우리가 좋아하는 맛있는 음식과 코카콜라. 맛있는 마법을 더해요.
뻔한 맛을 먹은 하루는 낭비한 하루다. 오늘을 맛있게 쓰리라. 맥크리스피 스리라차 마요. 이거지. 스리라차차.
말도 안 되지만 압도적 가성비. 라거 공법의 시원 상쾌함. You feel like fresh.
Please give a warm welcome to the Vice Chairman, CEO, and Head of Device Experience of Samsung Electronics, J.H. Han.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our 9th SDC. Thanks to you. Thanks to you, SDC has become a stage for innovation and a great way for us to connect. Last year, we shared our vision of calm tech to build experiences that make life easier. To that end, we continuously pursue technology that understands and carries out what people want. We gain deeper insights as people use more Samsung devices more often. Over 500 million Samsung products are sold every year, and the number of people using Samsung accounts exceeds 600 million. To us, this is both a huge asset and a profound responsibility. Samsung's innovation connects countless people, products, and services. I believe that if you join this journey of innovation, we can create great opportunities and a brighter future together. Today, I'm excited to share our progress in 5 key areas. First, let's begin with security and Samsung Knox. Connectivity unlocks better experiences, but it also means there's more user data to process, and we cannot compromise security for convenience. We introduced the concept of Knox matrix last year to protect the multi-device ecosystem from mobiles to TVs and home appliances. This year, we implemented it with credential sync technology. It securely shares credentials across devices, protecting users' personal data from various security threats. Next year, we'll apply trust chain technology to detect and block security threats between connected devices. We also plan to extend it to various operating systems. This new security standard will ensure that the convenience of hyperconnectivity is backed by solid commitment to security. Second, let's move on to smart things. Smart things is not just for connecting Samsung devices. It's an open, scalable platform that expands our ecosystem. It is evolving to optimize individual lifestyles. Today, we'll introduce substantial ways for you to join in. We'll release an SDK to support Matter, renew our developer center, and improve collaboration programs. In addition, we are creating a more intuitive and convenient smart home, from enhancing the hub everywhere strategy to implementing home intelligence via connected devices like TVs. It's all to help you unleash new ideas through smart things. This brings us to our third topic, Bixby. Bixby has evolved into the most optimized voice interface for controlling Samsung devices. And it seamlessly integrates with SmartThings to take a user's experience in a multi-device environment to the next level. Bixby eliminates the need to think about which device to speak to. Just give the command, and it will choose the most suitable one to carry it out. Users are also able to control Meta and HCA compliant devices with Bixby. And more enhancements are coming next year. In the future, expect Bixby to evolve even further with a deeper understanding of each user's natural speech and the tailored solutions for individual experiences and environments. Our first topic is Tizen. For over a decade, Tizen has played a crucial role in advancing Samsung TVs and home appliances. Now, Tizen is gearing up for the next 10 years by bringing it to more Samsung products and beyond. We are expanding Tizen-enabled products and adding to AI to home appliances for smart homes. Moreover, we'll incorporate rising technologies such as the RISC-V with customizable AP functions and the Rust programming language for better memory safety. So, stay with us on Tizen's journey of transformation. Lastly, I want to talk about innovation for sustainability. Sustainability is a core value at Samsung and an issue close to my heart. I firmly believe technology must evolve in harmony with the planet and future generations. That's why we are expanding resource circulation and developing energy-efficient products. SmartThings also empower users to conserve energy not only through individual products, but throughout their homes. What's more, we are teaming up with partners to realize the net zero home. Our software innovation is also leading to meaningful advance in accessibility, covering vision, hearing, and more. The possibilities we can realize together are endless because, as developers, we share the engines of innovation and collaboration. I invite you to imagine the future. We can shape the together. Now, let's get started.
Please welcome to the stage Executive Vice President and Head of SmartThings team, Jae-yeon Jung.
Thank you, JH. And hi, everyone. My name is Jae-yeon Jung, and I lead the SmartThings team here at Samsung. Over the past few years, you've heard me talk about the importance of interoperability and working together to build better smart home experiences that improve users' lives through convenience, sustainability, and fun. That's why Samsung continues to invest in collaborative, open smart home standards like Matter. Since last year's SDC, we've seen over 50 million new users join our platform. And millions of those users started or added to their SmartThings homes by connecting new Matter devices to their hubs and creating new routines. Also, our work with the Home Connectivity Alliance enables users to connect their existing smart appliances from other manufacturers to the SmartThings app for a more seamless experience. we are also bringing hundreds of new devices that users already have into the SmartThings app with support for third-party Matter bridges. But we are not just broadening the SmartThings device ecosystem. Our hubs make it easier than ever to build a smart home. More Samsung devices than ever come with hub connectivity. Today, I'm excited to announce that we are adding Samsung sound bars to our hub family. They will now include a hub with Matter support and a thread border router. These days, I'm often asked, what's the benefit of having more hubs? Well, I've got the answer. Starting with SmartThings Station, we are enabling hubs to work together to build a multi-hub network so that these hubs can work together to form Zigbee and Thread networks for greater range and reliability. This creates a stronger, more resilient network and enables devices to connect to their nearest SmartThings hub. And if you upgrade or replace a hub, you can seamlessly transfer your devices to the new one without starting your smart home over again. SmartThings is also a platform where you, our partners and developers, can build amazing businesses and experiences. And we have the tools to get you started. First, our SmartThings Home API was developed specifically to help you create apps using SmartThings as a foundation. Second, our SmartThings Home API allows you to leverage AI and sensing technology to analyze user behavior. It even recommends new experiences, increasing engagement with and value from your devices without having to preset a routine. Finally, we are also improving how you can build, certify, and sell your Works with SmartThings devices. That includes an easier certification process, an automated test suite, and listing in our new device catalog, both online and directly in the app. And when partners integrate their devices with SmartThings, everyone benefits from more features. All of this comes together to make it faster, more inclusive, and more fun to build this next era of the smart home. Next, let's talk about the new experiences we've built. Thanks to AI and smarter sensing technology, Samsung TVs are not only for movies and shows, they can become your home's control center. And it's easier than ever. With SmartThings, we've introduced a new feature where your Samsung Smart TV can recognize your phone and actually send you a pop-up to turn the phone already in your hand into your TV's remote. So, if you lost your remote inside the couch or the batteries are dead, then your phone actually become a replacement. But if it's the other way around and you've lost your phone, you can just ask Bixby to have your TV make it ring. And speaking of home entertainment, we are continuing to integrate Harman's new Wi-Fi speaker system into the home. But this isn't just a beautiful family of speakers with great audio. By connecting the system to SmartThings, when you wake up in the morning, the speakers will automatically play your music to help you get the day started. And when someone rings the doorbell, the speakers will lower their volume so you know someone's there. And these experiences go beyond your home. This year, we've built new partnerships that expand what SmartThings can do to keep your belongings and loved ones safe, helping you to easily recover lost items. We are embedding SmartThings Find in everything from Samsung devices to JBL headphones, credit cards, luggage trackers, even pet trackers, and much, much more. You can even use SmartThings and the SmartTag to keep track of your pet's health. Attach a SmartTag to your dog's collar and keep track of her exercises like walking route, distance, and time. Building incredible experiences, also why we are working with Aqara to create smart home experiences that help you around the house effortlessly when you need it most. Please join me in welcoming Kathy Yu from Aqara.
Thank you for the warm welcome, Jayan. My name is Kathy Yu. At Aqara, we believe that smart homes should be both accessible and intuitive. And that's why we're extremely excited to partner with Samsung to further enrich user options and to deliver a seamlessly connected smart home experience. Now picture this. As you pair Aqara sensors and controllers with Samsung products, your home dynamically adjusts the temperature and ambiance based on your preferences and the exact location in the house. And when you leave, your curtains automatically draw to a close, your TV and AC switch off, and the SmartThings app will always keep you informed of anything important, from potential water leaks to windows unintentionally left open. It's about ensuring that you have the optimal comfort and peace of mind. Now, our partnership with Samsung is based on a shared vision of the future, where homes are not just automated, but are also adaptive to the changing and unique needs of our users. And given the vast expanse of Samsung's ecosystem, we believe the horizons of smart living are truly boundless. Thank you very much. Back to you, Jayan.
Thank you, Kathy. Our open SmartThings platform is also the foundation for a smart home infrastructure that goes beyond DIY. It's powering complex, multi-unit environments like multi-family residential homes, vacation rentals, and even hotels. Whether it's for one smart home or many, SmartThings continues to help us all connect better, thanks to open innovation. There are so many exciting opportunities happening on the SmartThings platform. Please join us at our many sessions where our experts expand on each topic. Also, get ready to hear the latest on Bixby from Anil. Thank you and enjoy SDC.
Now let us welcome Head of Bixby Lab and Samsung Research America, Anil Yadav.
Good morning, developers. A lot has happened in the world of AI since we spoke last year, and the pace of innovation is only increasing. I'm thrilled to share our vision for Bixby and the recent achievements our team has made. We have always been focused on solving the challenges users face in a multi-device world. That's where Bixby shines. Bixby is not just smart, it's also deeply integrated across all your devices. Bixby is specifically designed for smart home with AI at the core. Learning to be helpful and intuitive in your unique space. But we don't want technology to be intrusive and add stress to your life. Instead, we envision a world where technology enhances our living space, make them more comfortable, intuitive, and intelligent. Imagine late evening, you are watching your favorite TV series and show is getting good, and suddenly your bedtime alarm rings on your tablet. You say, "Hi Bixby, stop." What does Bixby do? Does it stop the show or the alarm? Well, good news. Bixby is able to intelligently understand the context and your intention. The alarm stops and your show continues. Now, imagine that you are cooking in the kitchen and your favorite playlist is playing on your family hub. When your phone rings, you say, "Hi Bixby, pause the music." The family hub pauses the music and you say, "Hi Bixby, answer the call." Your phone answers the call. Bixby knows when you are speaking to your family hub and when you are speaking to your phone. You don't have to talk to a specific device to get the task done. If you have multiple connected devices in the same space, Bixby knows the device you are talking to and routes your request to the correct device automatically. This allows you to control all your connected devices with one simple interface. Now, I would like to share what we are planning for the future of Bixby. Consider your SmartThing connected home. Imagine you're preparing for a relaxing evening and you say, "Hi Bixby, play relaxing music." Bixby understands the ambience you want to create. Starts playing your favorite playlist, dims the light, adjusts the thermostat to your preferred temperature. With one command, Bixby can take multiple intelligent actions, reducing the burden of interacting with multiple devices. This combination of personalization and adaptation ensures that with every interaction, Bixby is optimized, easy, and convenient. And while personalization takes center stage, we recognize that providing a secure and private experience is critical. So, we are committed to shaping a future where Bixby adapts to you and personalizes your space in a trusted and safe digital environment. Up next, you will hear more about Samsung security solutions, including all the latest updates to Knox. Thank you.
Please join me in welcoming Principal Engineer of Security Team, Shin Beck.
Thank you, Anil. And hello, everyone. Welcome back to SDC. We've been talking a lot about connected experiences today and how better connectivity can build a better life. One critical component is ensuring everything is backed by strong security. As more devices launch each year, there are a growing number of access points for potential compromise. It's time to look beyond today's solution and start building a better protected future. This is what Samsung is doing today by integrating best-in-class solutions like Samsung Knox into our mobile devices. And I'm excited to talk to you about how we're expanding Samsung Knox to a multi-device security solution that protects your entire smart home. Last year at SDC, we unveiled Knox Matrix, our blockchain-based security platform for a new era of smart home experiences. And this year, I'm extremely proud to share that we are officially launching Knox Matrix and enhancing the features that come with it. First, Knox Matrix Trust Chain will enable connected devices to monitor each other for security threats and send notifications to other devices if one is ever attacked. Let's say a hacker targets a device with lighter security protections. Knox Matrix will detect the threat and isolate it from the others to keep the rest of the system safe. And thanks to a feature called Credential Sync, we're able to offer a safer, tighter security. So, with its end-to-end encryption technology, credentials are protected and shared safely across multiple devices. This way, no one but the user, and not even Samsung, can access the data. These features are available on some Samsung devices today, but I'm excited to announce that starting next year, Trust Chain and Credential Sync will be expanded to more products than ever. This includes broader Galaxy ecosystem, Tizen-based smart TVs, and even Samsung Family Hub fridges. We're also strengthening Samsung Knox with hardware security upgrades that work with more devices. Active on mobile devices since 2021, Knox Vault protects user data by physically isolating information in a separate, secure space. This means users are safe not only from software attacks that exploit security vulnerabilities, but also from more sophisticated hardware attacks. With Knox Vault, a user's private data is kept secure, even if a device is lost or stolen. Now, we're strengthening Knox Vault and expanding it to more devices. Before, Knox Vault was limited to our flagship smartphones. It relied on a tamper-resistant security processor that needed a premium system-on-chip or SoC to run. But now, we've developed a new architecture for Knox Vault that provides all the necessary security features independent of the main SoC. This defends you from hardware attacks with core features such as password protection and key attestation. Now, we can bring Knox Vault to more devices, including more affordable options, and even beyond mobile. It's already available on Samsung's latest 8K TVs. And next year, it'll be on select Galaxy A series smartphones launched with One UI 6. And our team has also been working on a new digital identity credential based on FIDO's international standards called Passkey. Passkey is coming to Samsung Pass on mobile devices. It uses biometric recognition instead of easy-to-compromise IDs and passwords. Passkey will be available on mobile devices with One UI 6. And we're continuing to explore new ways to bring new features like Passkey to other connected devices too. As connected devices and networks become more integrated and complex, we continue to deeply commit to open partnership and collaboration. With Samsung Knox as our foundation, we're building a newer, diverse, and more powerful security practices together. My team and I are excited to keep building with you and incorporating industry-leading security and privacy into everything we do. We are stronger and more secure when we work together. Thank you and enjoy the rest of SEC.
Now stepping to the stage, platform team, Hobum Kwan.
Hello everyone. It's really nice to be here to tell you more about how we are evolving Tizen. As people integrate more connected devices into their home, Tizen has been the foundation to bring these experiences to life. Tizen is hosted as a Linux Foundation open source project maintained by Samsung, so it's fully open to anyone to join and develop. Last year, we celebrated the 10-year anniversary of Tizen, which was introduced right here in San Francisco in 2012. Since then, we have successfully deployed Tizen on over 350 million devices. For our developers, you probably know Tizen as a platform for Samsung TVs or Family Hub refrigerators, but there are more Tizen-based devices than you might think. Tizen supports devices around the house, like smart monitors, freestyle projectors, air conditioners, robot vacuums, and smart ovens. But it also powers B2B products like a smart signage, flipboard, and kiosk. Recently, Tizen has expanded into home appliances with a 7-inch screen. And we will expand the ecosystem of home appliances by enhancing usability through more graphics information, convenient UI, and useful video content. We are always thinking of how to expand the Tizen ecosystem. As a result, Tizen has a reliable and adaptable architectures optimized for consumer electronics, built on our commitment to open innovation. Today, I'd like to share how Samsung is rebooting Tizen for even more great experiences. So let's start with on-device AI. As our digital appliances get smarter, we've added more AI functionalities to Tizen, like a 24/7 AI control and fault diagnosis, better Bixby integration, and even food and clothes recognition. It's impossible to ignore the power AI holds to create better experiences, but it also requires more user data. On-device AI can be a solution to protect consumer privacy. Tizen provides a state-of-the-art on-device learning framework, which enables model retraining and personalization. Another way we are bringing on-device AI Tizen is with the Home AI Edge. This new feature enables the devices in your home to work together seamlessly by processing AI service requests right on your devices with the CPUs and NPUs for other devices around the house. For example, with the Home AI Edge, the stronger computing resources on products like the latest mobile phones and the smart TVs do the heavy lifting and process requests for other devices without AI chip, like more affordable and ovens and vacuums. Plus, with the Home AI Edge's context service, data from your activities still help create smarter and more personalized services without being stored in a cloud. Beyond AI, there are tons of other ways we are optimizing Tizen to unlock even more experiences for our developers. Starting this year, Tizen now supports RISC-V, one of today's rising open standard instruction set architectures. In fact, Samsung is a board member of the RISE project, a collaborative effort to accelerate the RISC-V ecosystem. Plus, we are transforming our most critical code in C and C++ to Rust, which is one of the fastest growing programming languages, and help developers keep their code safer by preventing memory safety mistakes. And we are developing a unified Tizen SDK. As the number of Tizen devices grows, it's critical to have a common application runtime. This is to minimize the time it takes to port apps and services into the platform. To achieve this goal, we will roll out a 2D and 3D combined graphics engines that can run beautiful avatars and intuitive 3D home map views on any Tizen device, from TVs to home appliances. The SDK also includes Samsung Experience Services to help ensure all products running Tizen are consistent and up-to-date with the various Samsung services. We are also focused on providing convenient tool support for app developers. In particular, we have developed the Figma NUI plugin. If you are a graphic designer working on the Figma tool, the plugin will automatically convert your work into source code and instantly reflect it on a Tizen device so you can see how it looks in its final form. We've also added new features to our Flutter Tizen SDK we first introduced in 2021 for the fast-growing number of Flutter developers. This includes adding Firebase support and DRM players to make developing commercial streaming services for Tizen TVs easier and faster. We have so many more innovations ahead of us in the Tizen ecosystem, and we hope you will continue building it with us. Samsung's belief in open innovation and the great work we are building together inspire us to keep making Tizen the best consumer electronics platform it can be. And next up, we will be hearing from Bongjun on how screens are connecting all of us. Thank you.
With great enthusiasm, we now present Executive Vice President and Head of Application Software R&D Group, Bongjun Ko.
Thank you, Hobam. Hello, SDC. It's great to be here. As I'm sure you've all experienced, the digital screens can act as windows that connect you to other people, other places, and other worlds. Today, I'd like to share how we are evolving this connected screen experience with Tizen. Let's start by connecting to other worlds with gaming. The Samsung Gaming Hub lets you tap into the best part of gaming, access cloud games, PCs, and console games, watch video streams for games, and listen to your favorite music while playing games. And it's easy to get started because more than 90% of the game controllers on the market are compatible with Samsung TVs. And with 4K streaming and super low end-to-end latency, our Tizen engineers have created a truly console-like experience for cloud gamers. Now, I'm happy to share that the Gaming Hub is not only available for the latest Samsung TVs, but on the other Samsung Tizen screens too. You can now use the Samsung Gaming Hub right on the Freestyle 2nd generation and gaming monitors like the Odyssey OLED G9 and Odyssey Arc. And all of these new compatible devices come with about 3,000 games. That's a 300% increase since we launched it last year. And the Gaming Hub is also available now in 11 countries, including Australia and Mexico. Next, let's talk about another way the screens in your home keep you connected with people. Samsung's new Connect Time app on 2023 TVs lets you make video calls and even take incoming calls directly from your TVs. You can also cast calls from your smartphone to TVs to see everyone on the large screen. So here's a quote from one of our TV users. Hold on. There we go. I'll read it out. It's such a joy to see and talk to my grandchildren on the largest screen in the house. It was my mom. Okay, another quote. My son bought me a new TV for Mother's Day and told me to call him anytime with it. It's all great, but when I call him, he doesn't always answer. He seems to be busy all the time. It's my mom again. I'll call you, Mom. Okay. Chat together is another way you can stay connected. This feature lets you share your thoughts in a chat with your friends, family, and fantasy football rivals while you are watching a show, movie, and especially a live sports game together. And our team is working to create even more exciting experiences for you to share with others, like this. These new features infuse a little bit more fun to your TV experience. And you know what's great? All you need to enjoy them is a Samsung account. Just log into your TV once, and these are all there for you. No subscription, no extra logins required. In fact, with a Samsung account, you can access even more features tailored to you, like personalized content recommendations and a more convenient connected experience across devices like TV, smartphones, tablets, and even your refrigerators. And if you set up a payment method, you can purchase art and other content easily all through a Samsung account. And this account-linked Samsung checkout is also available for our partners who'd like to offer a more seamless purchasing and payment experience for their customers with Tizen screens. Now, I'd like to switch gears a bit. At Samsung, we are only able to deliver the best-in-class contents, apps, and games thanks to the continued and dedicated collaboration with partners like you. Let's start with our content partnership for Samsung TV Plus. Our free ad-supported TV and VOD services available on Samsung TVs, smartphones, and tablets is now available in 24 countries, delivering content from nearly 400 content partners. That includes 300 channels and thousands of movies and shows on demand in the US, and more than 2,200 channels worldwide. So you can watch fan favorites like Conan O'Brien TVs and DraftKings, and channels from partners like A&E, Vivo, and much more for free. Next, let's talk about two other important partnerships, Tizen Licensing and Tizen for Enterprises. We started Tizen Licensing last year with 3 TV manufacturing partners. Now, we've expanded our reach to over 18 countries and have more than double the number of manufacturing partners who have adopted Tizen as their smart TV platforms. We also announced the Tizen Enterprise platform at SDC last year. Since then, over 700 enterprise partners have signed up, and we have 200 plus applications for more to get started. So next in lineup for Tizen for Enterprise, we are exploring new ways to meet your needs, like deploying apps within your enterprise network and unified endpoint management framework. So stay tuned. For all the app developers, I'd like to share 3 new ways you can see a difference when it's time to develop and build the application with Tizen. First, the new HDR10 Plus for gaming is here. Now, gamers can finally experience their digital worlds just how the game creators intended. And our new Iris tool allows game designers to quickly optimize their graphics and test the quality across different displays. Second, the Tizen extension for Visual Studio Code now lets you create apps from templates and run and test them inside the IDE. So now you can develop your apps and get them to your customers quicker than ever. And third, we know the pain and cost of having to find devices to test your apps you build. Well, not anymore. I'm very pleased to announce that Samsung's remote test lab for TVs is finally open starting this month. So it gives developers remote access to test on Samsung TV devices in the cloud right from your web browser. As screens are becoming more and more essential to how we live our lives, we also want to make sure that everyone can participate and enjoy. To do this, we introduced the Relumino mode to the latest Samsung TVs, meaning giving back the light in Latin. Relumino mode uses on-device AI to highlight visual components like contrast, color, and sharpness, and clarifies those images for users with low vision. It is one of our many efforts to make Samsung's TV experience more inclusive and accessible, and we are committed to finding new ways to bring everyone along the Tizen journey. So, we've talked about how we are evolving the screen experience with Tizen, screens that are getting smarter for everyone and everywhere. With all these advances, we believe that soon the screens will not just be the simple devices, but will actually be your companions that help you manage your day-to-day life and make it a little bit more entertaining too. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Please put your hands together for Vice President and Head of Framework R&D Team, Sally Hae-Soon Jung.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be back at SDC. I'm really excited to share what we've been working on at Samsung for our latest One UI. One UI is the Galaxy experience. It's what empowers you to use your Galaxy your way. For example, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Flex window is now more than 3 times larger, and you can personalize it to fit your style and needs. Or put on a flip suitcase to automatically change your cover screen to match. You can also use your favorite widgets, check your schedule or weather, or even launch end games with Good Luck, which gives you all the right tools to take personalized experiences to the next level. One UI is designed to do all the work for you, and this is true across our entire Galaxy ecosystem. Today, I'm excited to introduce One UI 6, which refined the design and layout of our UI to be more intuitive so you can instantly understand what's on your screen. First, we clean up the layout on the kick panel. The most often used settings like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are now on top, while related items like display settings, including brightness, eye comfort shield, and dark mode are grouped together. You'll also have a much easier time locating the settings thanks to the better contrast and groupings. When you're listening to music, album art and animation are highlighted on the kick panel too. We are also bringing these visual updates to our widget, starting with the weather. Now, our weather widget not only tells you what it's like outside right now, but shares easy-to-read tips and forecasts too. So, if it's really windy outside, it will show you the wind chill temperature, and if it's going to rain tomorrow afternoon, it will let you know in advance so you can remember to bring an umbrella. We are also introducing the new typeface, One UI Sans. It's a geometric sans serif style with a round shape and monoline stroke that were designed to improve readability on digital screens. This new typeface brings a fresh look to the mobile experience. We've updated our emojis too. They are fun, take on the classics. One UI has always been about making your devices more you from how they were to how they look. And now, with One UI 6, we've added more ways to personalize your lock screen. For example, you can customize where the clock is and make it smaller or larger to see more of your favorite background. You can also personalize your lock screen for routines. During the day, it can show your most used apps, while at night, it will change your settings to show you only what you need in the dark. We are always working on new ways to bring more personalization to your smartphone, so stay tuned for more. The Galaxy experience is all about making your technology work better for you, and One UI works across different platforms and devices. As many of you may know, Quick Share provides an easy way to share images, videos, files from your Galaxy device to any device, whether they are nearby or far away. So trust me, Quick Share is so convenient. If you give it a try once, I'm sure you will use it again and again. And the same goes for multi-control. You can control copy and paste across your Galaxy Book, tab, and smartphone with the same mouse and keyboard. Working within the same platform is relatively easy, but going from Android smartphones and tablet to Windows PC is a game changer. These cross-platform and cross-device features like Quick Share and multi-control required us to bring everyone to the table. I'm so proud of the progress we made together, and I have to thank all of the developers who worked with us. I look forward to our continued collaboration to create truly seamless ecosystem. Of course, we can't talk about the latest One UI and Galaxy smartphones without talking about the camera. Have you seen the professional movie quality videos from S23 Ultra? Or taken a selfie with the flex window on our Flip? It's the best hands-free selfie experience out there. Our epic Galaxy camera experience is constantly raising the bar. So it's only natural we evolve our gallery too. Photo Remaster, for example, uses AI to revive your favorite but old pictures, and Object Eraser helps you remove stranger from your family pictures taken at the beach. And now, One UI 6 will analyze your photos and suggest the most relevant editing options in one place based on your content. So if you are looking at a great selfie, One UI 6 will suggest that you add a portrait effect to bring the focus on you. And for videos, we are introducing Samsung Studio, which allows multi-layer editing straight from the gallery. That means you can now make more complex edits like adding text, stickers, and music on your videos exactly where and when you want. Samsung Studio is currently available on smartphones and tab and coming to the Galaxy Book early next year. We will continue to enhance the content journey from start to finish, from capturing photos and videos to editing them to posting on social media. What we've introduced so far is designed to improve everyone with their richer experiences especially kids who are Galaxy users. We know parents often worry about when they should give their child their own smartphone. You need your kids to stay connected, but stay safe online, and we want to help you do that. Samsung Child Account allows young users to set up their own device and create their own experience in a safe environment. Children are free to download fonts, themes, and apps from the Galaxy Store, only accessing safe, age-appropriate content. Parents can also check in on their kids' location. We will continue to keep families better connected by enhancing our Galaxy for Family services. More features are coming soon, like sharing payment methods and managing calls from unknown numbers, so your Galaxy can play a role in your whole family's well-being. And speaking of managing all the moving parts of your day, Samsung Wallet lets you keep your ID, keys, and cards right on your phone. Later this month, if you are based in Arizona or Iowa, you will be able to add your US driver's license to the wallet. And next year, you'll be able to use the Samsung Wallet to authenticate your driver's license online. We are looking forward to expand our wallet ecosystem with you and hope to see you in our following tech session and the Code Lab. When we set out to build the latest One UI, we wanted to find every way possible to make your life a little bit easier. Since its first launch, our smart tag has been helping Galaxy users to keep track of the items that matter most. Now, I'm excited to share that today we are introducing the next generation Smart Tag 2. The new compact design makes it even easier to attach it to keys, bags, or luggage. The Smart Tag 2 has a seriously impressive battery life of 500 days and can stay on for up to 700 days in power-saving mode. With an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, the Smart Tag 2 can follow your items through rain, snow, and even a pile of laundry. So if you've lost an item and need to locate your Smart Tag 2, simply turn on Notify Me when it's found from your smartphone. And the connections from other Galaxy users nearby will help you track it down. And because Smart Tag uses BLE connectivity, you can get a signal when you are close by, even underground when you are not connected to GPS. But Smart Tag 2 isn't just about finding lost items. You can also track your pet's health. With SmartThings Pet Care, you'll be able to use SmartThings to record your walking routes, distance, and time, and monitor your pet's health by just attaching Smart Tag 2 on their harness or collar. I'm so excited to announce that we are giving everyone here at SDC today the latest Smart Tag 2. So don't forget your tag when you head out. Just one each. With so many new connected devices to work from, create with, and keep track of, security and privacy are more important than ever. As Sheen mentioned earlier, we are continuing to expand our privacy and security solutions like Knox Vault and Knox Matrix across the wider Galaxy ecosystem and beyond for better safety and protection. If you are interested in everything we showed you today, but are not a Galaxy user, of course, what I really want is for you to get our device. But if you are not quite ready to make the switch, try first with our Try Galaxy app. I look forward to seeing many of you soon at one of our sessions. And up next is Hompa, who will share the latest on digital health. Thank you.
Please welcome to the stage Vice President and Head of Digital Health Team, Han Pak.
Hello. Thank you and welcome to SCC. Our vision for Samsung Health is to build a healthier future for everyone. It starts from the same place where many of you today started your day, at home. We see a future of connected care centered around the home, connecting data sharing devices, people, and services for a better all-around experience. These services address the needs of every member in your household, you, your children, and even aging parents. They'll support you through different seasons of your health journey, from wellness to illness and recovery. While we know what we need to do to be healthy, it's hard to sustain healthy behaviors, whether it's exercising, eating, or sleeping well. We have to admit we could all use some help in our busy lives. Need ideas on what to make for dinner? Here's a healthy recipe for your family. It's almost 3 p.m. Don't forget to take your medication. Or, how are you feeling? I'm seeing some changes in your heart rate. At Samsung, we're imagining how we can help develop and sustain healthy behaviors and routines. For example, when Galaxy Watch senses you've fallen asleep, the room temperature cools, the lights fade, and unnecessary devices power off to optimize sleep and save energy. Let's say you start the next morning with a workout. During cardio, you can track your performance by seeing your heart rate along with your personalized heart rate zone on the screen. And when you're ready to recharge, you can turn to your personal nutritionist on the SmartThings cooking feature, then browse the nutritious meal options, which are based on ingredients you've already adjusted according to your workout, BMI, and your health goals. We focus on the fundamentals of health as our 4 pillars: sleep, activity, diet, and stress. For 2023, our focus is sleep. We spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping. I know firsthand that a good or bad night's sleep affects things like my mood, my energy, productivity during the day. Countless studies have shown that poor sleep has downstream impacts on disease like depression, heart disease, and diabetes. To address these needs, we launched the Galaxy Watch 6 with advanced sleep functions, from data on sleep stages to global sleep score, and even a sleep coach. We provide the information and tools to help users sleep better. Here at Samsung Health, in cooperation with the data intelligence team at Samsung Research, we're leveraging that data to provide personal and adaptive AI-based services that improve users' lives. Our goal is simple: develop an integrated solution across all 4 pillars that offers a holistic understanding and tools for our users. But we can't realize this vision alone. It can only be accomplished with partners like you. And since Samsung is committed to developing a powerful ecosystem, we're launching a suite of SDKs. That way, Samsung innovation can be used to power your work. The Samsung Privileged Health SDK provides access to the Samsung bioactive sensor data. We're offering both processed and raw formats, such as accelerometer and raw ECG data, so that partners like you have more flexibility to develop powerful health sensing capabilities in their applications. Alongside Samsung Research, we've launched the Samsung Health Stack to support investigators with critical tools to advance their research. The app SDK provides developers with the building blocks to streamline participant data collection. These include onboarding, consent, survey, and data visualization. The web portal helps users track encrypted study participant activity and analyze data. And there's more to come. In the future, we envision a connected marketplace where partners like you can provide value-added services for our users. Based on needs and triggers from Samsung Health, will be the digital front door for health. Innovation and transformational health research are being incubated in institutions all around the world. In addition to our own deep investments in health research, we're sourcing the greatest talent and partners on the path to achieving our vision. This year, we established a collaborative research open innovation program to identify world-class institutions who are leaders in various areas of healthcare. This will help us enhance our existing algorithms while developing novel ones. We're honored to announce that we selected 4 collaborators this year: MIT, Tulane, Brigham and Women's Hospital, and Samsung Medical Center. Today, we have Professor Patty Moss of MIT joining us on stage to talk about our collaboration. Welcome, Patty.
Thank you, Han. And good morning, everybody. Wearables such as the Galaxy Watch are already empowering people to track and improve their health. In addition, these types of devices also help doctors make better informed decisions for their patients. And they give researchers at institutions like MIT, where I'm from, a platform to explore new ways to keep you healthy. But one area where more can and needs to be done is in helping people get restorative sleep. As Han already noted, sleep is hugely important for optimal health and performance, and poor sleep can interfere with mood, work, and relationships. Over time, it has also been linked to long-term health problems like depression, obesity, even strokes or heart attacks. But even so, the National Institutes of Health estimate that almost 40% of American adults have sleep problems. Now imagine if your watch not only told you when you're sleeping poorly, but it also deciphered why this happens, and most importantly, helped train your brain and change your habits to obtain more restful sleep. As a researcher in digital health, I'm very excited to embark on this groundbreaking collaboration with Samsung to develop novel, scientifically validated, accessible solutions to help people sleep better and make a difference in their health, well-being, and daytime performance. So what's our ultimate goal? We aim for you to sleep soundly when you want to. Thank you.
Please join me in welcoming CEO of Whisk and head of Samsung Food Platform, Nick Holzer.
Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Nick, and it's awesome to be here at SDC. I'm super excited to talk to you about how AI is going to help all of us eat better. So just a few months back, we unveiled the ultimate cooking app, Samsung Food. And today, it's already assisting millions organizing their recipes, planning their meals, grocery shopping, cooking, and achieving their health goals. Now, our journey building food apps began more than a decade ago. And over these last 10 years, we have curated an expansive knowledge graph for the food domain. Not only does it detail the intricate connections between foods and dishes, but it also maps important attributes like nutrition, shelf life, price, and availability. Now, with this extensive knowledge graph and the recent advances in AI, we've been able to build better experiences to help people achieve their food goals. But we started simple. We want to build experiences that work for users on their terms. And we know that people discover recipes from all over the place. So we made sure that Samsung Food works with recipes from anywhere. You can add your aunt's cherished cake recipe or your own recipe inventions, or actually recipes you discover anywhere, social media, websites, wherever you find recipes. And the magic happens when the smart features of the app that we've built work with your recipes regardless of where they're from. Now, for any recipe that you add to Samsung Food, we show you nutritional information automatically. You can add multiple meals to a plan, then to a shopping list. That's automatically organized by aisle, so when you do your shopping in-store, it's really fast. You can also send the cook settings for any of those recipes to your Samsung kitchen appliances seamlessly via SmartThings. Now, such an experience might sound simple, but in the background, we have built AI that understands your recipes in real time to allow this to happen. So we know that people cook the same 7 to 9 recipes on repeat. And we also know that sometimes people get bored of those regular dishes. So with our new food AI, you can now adapt and rewrite recipes based on your goals. It's great if you want a new twist on those regular dishes you cook all the time. But what if your favorite recipe is a creamy chicken pasta and your vegan friend's coming over for dinner? Well, we can help you rewrite your recipe. Click vegan, hit personalize, and hey presto, your chicken dish is now vegan. What if you're trying to be super healthy? Well, we can help you rewrite your recipe. Choose personalize, and you now have a balanced recipe that will help you feel great. These are just some of the ways that Samsung Food is bringing new levels of customization and convenience to the kitchen. Over the coming year, we're going to continue to grow our device connectivity across Samsung's appliances, watches, and phones. And I'm super excited about how we can bring together software and hardware to create value for Samsung customers. After today, I hope you're even more inspired to cook and make food your way. Thank you.
Please welcome back to the stage, J.H. Han.
Thank you, Nick, and thank you to all our speakers. Today, we shared how our innovations and partnerships stretch across the entire multi-device experience. I hope you saw just how committed we are to grounding everything in strong security and privacy. And you can be sure that we'll continue our mission to innovate sustainably and reduce our impact on the planet. We want everyone to embrace a safer, healthier, more sustainable and fun life. But we can't do it alone. Samsung's new products and technologies also need to be anchored by a solid ecosystem. We are committed to growing together with all the developers and partners here. So when we meet next year to celebrate 10 years of SDC, I look forward to sharing even more exciting and meaningful ideas. Now, I hope you can explore the rest of sessions and exhibitions. Thank you.
부드럽구나.
뭐?
새로 말이다. 목 넘김이 아주 부드러워.
뭐야?
산뜻해.
제로 슈거로 산뜻하고 부드러운 프리미엄 마셔봤어? 캔을 열면 시작되는 우아한 시간. 이것이 아시안 프리미엄 아사히 쇼크사이 그랑골드 수상.
진짜 맛있는 과일 맥주? 이거 뭐야? 너무 맛있어! 트롤.
깨끗한 통레몬으로 맛있는 술을 만들자. 상큼하고 진하게. 찐 통레몬 탄산주.
놓칠 수 없는 강렬함. 부드러운 첫맛에 한 번, 강렬한 끝맛에 두 번. 더블 숙성 공법으로 찾은 더블 임팩트 라거.
부드럽구나.
뭐?
새로 말이다. 목 넘김이 아주 부드러워.
뭐야?
산뜻해.
제로 슈거로 산뜻하고 부드러운
LG전자 모빌리티 솔루션은 이동 공간의 차별화된 경험을 만듭니다. 스마트 라이프 솔루션.
Preparati a scoprire l'Oreo più buono di sempre. Da oggi con più cacao, per un'esplosione di gusto epica. Prova la nuova ricetta Oreo e scopri il suo gusto unico. Oreo, provalo subito.
구독 해지. 구독 해지.
마침내 콘텐츠 유목 생활을 끝낼 신개념 IPTV 요금제 탄생. 드라마, 키즈, 애니, 다큐는 물론 최신 개봉작까지 이렇게 다양한 콘텐츠를 TV는 물론 모바일로도.
근데 이 모든 걸 커피 한 잔 값에? BTV 올 플러스!
빈틈없는 콘텐츠 라이프의 시작. 지금 바로 106 누르고 한 번에 플레이. BTV 올.
우리가 복권을 하는 이유? 복권은 기분이 좋거든요.
복권은 기분이 좋아. 아프지 않게 이웃 모두를 지켜줄 것 같아요. 복권은 기분이 좋아. 힘들지 않게 가족 모두를 보듬어 줄 것.
모두와 함께하는 기분 좋은 기부. 복권으로 함께 모두를 이롭게. 기획재정부 복권위원회. 복권은 기분이 좋거든요.
비타민, 유산균, 홍삼. 몸에 좋은 건 잘 챙기셔야죠. 그리고 인생에 꼭 한 번은 익수공진단 경험해보세요. 약 중에 찾은 귀한 약. 익수공진단. 공진단에도 특허가 역시.
내 에너지가 좋아야 어떤 역할이 와도 잘 해낼 수 있으니까 관리하는 편이에요. 김혜윤도 정관장으로 에너지 관리 중입니다. 건강은 정관.
프리미엄 마셔봤어? 캔을 열면 시작되는 우아한 시간. 이것이 아시안 프리미엄 아사히 쇼크사이 그랑골드 수상.